We often wonder what life can offer us. What can we do to make it more meaningful? What we tend to forget is that life itself has its own accord, and we're always the main character. Now, how can we make the best of our lives? We live, we enjoy and seize every moment. We let go of all the hatred and negativity. We love and allow others to love us even more. We conquer our fears and never let failure bring us down. Remember that we are the author of our own lives, and we are the masters at making things happen. With us being present and being grateful to every single thing, whether it's good or bad, is one of the things that can make us appreciate and live our life to its fullest. I realized that staying in the past will not only burden us, but it will also limit us to move forward. It will only block the opportunities and bright future that lies ahead. So today, you who's watching this, I'm encouraging you to go on, be brave, and live your life. Discover your potential, face your fears, get out of your comfort zone. It's not too late. In fact, it's only the beginning.